For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find this assignment that you see here. Earlier today, you talked about uppercase and lowercase letters. So for the word study assignment, you will be clicking and dragging the correct boxes to the correct columns. Here you will find all of the uppercase boxes and click and drag them. Here you will put all of the lowercase. You will see some repeated items or repeated words, but you must make sure that you put them in the correct column, whether they are uppercase letters or lowercase letters. Let's do a couple together. This is Mrs. Gold. The M is lowercase, so I'm going to click and drag that and put it into lowercase. Next one I see is Dignity Health. I'm assuming it is a hospital or a proper noun, so it should be uppercase. I'm going to click and drag that in uppercase. You will continue to go through the rest of these blue boxes on the left side and the rest of these blue boxes on the right side. After you have all of your blue boxes sorted, make sure you click Submit Assignment for your teacher.